Hello, my name is Michael Troy Moore, former Special Representative of the United Food and Commercial Workers. I worked for you for many years as an organizer, in-house lawyer to the federal courts, and as direct assistant to your former president, Jack L. Lovell, and your current president, Jacques S. Lovell. Earlier this year, I was contacted about the elections scheduled for December 2020. After much soul-searching, I decided that I will accept the nomination and declare I'm running for president of UFCW Local 588, also known as UFCW 588 of Northern California, also known as UFCW Local 8, and finally, also known as UFCW 8 Golden State. In my professional opinion, this is perhaps the first time that the rank and file members might have the chance to choose officers in nearly 40 years, at least 36 years. And I know this because I used to work for them. My campaign is about organizing, educating, and empowering the membership, and increasing union market share, and reorganizing the stores we've lost and the new stores in order to keep the integrity of our contracts up through union market share. This worked in the past and we had great contracts. When we stopped organizing, that was the greatest mistake your leaders made, in my opinion. They quit organizing and your contracts suffer from it. Your standard of living suffers from it. Your wages, hours, benefits, and even your pensions suffer from it. I have a vested interest in the health of this union, and I have an interest in organizing. I'm declaring that I'm running for president of your union. The choice is yours, no one else's, but you have to exercise that choice or somebody else will do it for you. Thank you for your time, and more for Union President.